I'ma stay to it, yeah. Tell me, are you pushing? Do you love somebody?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with Alicia Simone. If you're new here, make sure you stop what you're doing right now and you hit that subscribe button so that you can join Leash Nation so that we can glow together and grow together. I'm going to be showing you today how I got this look. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright, so now I'm just doing my eyebrows. I don't know what I just did right now, but I kind of just improvised because I messed up. So I tried to turn it into something. I don't know what it is, but it looks kind of cool. Alright, I want to kind of use different foundation today because I feel like I've been using the same foundation for the last two tutorials. And I guess I'm going to talk a little bit throughout this tutorial. So I hope that's cool with you guys. We're going to get started with the face. I'm going to be using some Nivea cream moisturizer. This has like been my go-to this winter for some reason, but yeah, it's like really thick. So at first when you get it on, it's kind of just like ugh, you know, but then it's really hydrating. Like it's super thick, but once like your skin warms it up, it's super hydrating and it just spreads easier. Okay, so then after that, I really like to use my MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance. That's been like a really great primer for me as well, and especially with the Nivea combo, I really like it. Like my skin has literally been coming out flawless. I'm gonna be mixing Studio Fix Fluid and C44. It's really dark, it's just like warm as hell. With that, well, let's see, I'm just hoping it's not too warm because sometimes I have a tendency to look orange, either orange or like either really yellow. So hopefully it'll work. This is what we got. So whenever I'm blending out my foundation, I'm just always going in a circular motion just to really help blend it out. Now I'm going to be adding my concealer, and we're using the shade Tan, I believe. If your beauty blender is wet, it is literally going to pick up the product and move it, and that is not what you want at all. So alright, so now what I'm going to do is highlight even more, and I'm going to take this highlighting color from the ABH kit right here. I know it looks really bad, but I'm going to take the lightest color that's in the center. And don't be scared because it's literally going to mix with your foundation and concealer. And that's really just gonna brighten up your highlight a little bit more. You don't have to do this step. This is just an extra step that I like to do, but you don't have to do it. And I'm just gonna take some of the AirSpun and go around my mouth. Just everywhere pretty much that I put the concealer. I'm just gonna do my waterline really quick with this, oh shit. I'm gonna be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in white. I actually depotted mine and I put it in a little jar like this. And then I'm just gonna put my lashes on. I'm gonna be using this Caution Mascara by Hourglass. I literally always put on mascara before I put on my falsies. Some people put it on after, but I don't like mascara to get in my falsies because I feel like, what is the point of wearing falsies then? You know what I'm saying? I really need to like peel the glue off of these lashes, but I'm just so scared that I'm gonna rip them apart, and they're like my favorite pair and my last pair that I have, so I'm like treading lightly with these. I did order some more, and I actually ordered those like 25mm lashes, so I'm like kind of hyped for those to come, because if you know me, you know I like my lashes extra AF. So those are good. They feel really good. So I'm actually going to be using this MAC Studio Fix powder, and this is in the color NC45, I believe. This is what it looks like. I use this powder to dust off when I bake. So I will take it and I will just go underneath my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to contour using this True Match. This has been my lately, like I swear. So I'm just using that, and I'm using a 137 MAC brush. Snatch that. I'm softening this because I'm looking a little botched right now. Just a little bit botched right now. No? Not botched? Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna blend this out as well. You always want to make sure you're just blending everything. Like, just blend. Like, don't think about it. Blend it all out. Everything. Like, you blend your eyebrows. You blend your eyeshadow. You blend your contour. You know, you blend your brush, of course. You blend your blush. You blend your highlight. Like, every single thing you put on your face, you just really want to blend it out, because you want it to look seamless. You want it to look flawless. You want it to look gorgeous. So bring an extra. And you want people to say,
oh dang, she edited her pictures too much. Like, she edited the crap out of her stuff. Like, that is so edited.
Once you get to that video, once you get to that YouTube video, ain't no airbrush, ain't no retouch, ain't no skin softening. This is blended. Alright, so now that we're all blended out right now, looking like a smooth baby's bottom, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more contour, because why not? But this time, instead of going everywhere, I'm just gonna go focus it right on the like hollow, like right on that hollow of my cheek. So like right here, like right there. You're gonna blend that out again, because what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Okay. Alright. I actually low-key want to even contour even more, but I'm not gonna do it because I realize at this point I probably have a problem. So this is my Nika K. Girl, do not sleep on Nika K, okay? Take yourself to the beauty supply store. I got Nika K lip liners. I got Nika K concealer. I got Nika K blush duos. Oh my gosh, the one I use it to contour with sometimes, bomb. So don't sleep on it. This was $3, okay? Don't do it. So you can really see. So we're just gonna take this and we're gonna go right here with it. And I feel like blush really does finish the cheeks. I really wanted to do bottom lashes today, but I don't really know if I'm gonna do that. I don't know. Like, I feel like I really don't need to, but okay. So let's put these on now. When you're doing this, like with these little pieces of hair, you can't breathe. Like, you really can't be huffing and puffing because they'll start just flying around. Like, you have to like breathe all cute and shit. Like, I mean, it looks really pretty though, but I'm going on a date later. Well, I'm not going on it's not like a date, but I'm meeting up with someone for drinks. So I'm going to like this restaurant and we're just getting some drinks. So I feel like they're gonna see my lashes and be like, what the f? Ooh. I feel like one of those rock and roll people. Yeah! That's how they be. I feel like I look dramatic as f. This video is seriously so long for no reason at all. Like, I'm just literally talking the whole video. That's probably why. Nika K lip pencil, and they're literally so creamy and like they're literally so creamy and so blendable. A little bit of this is called Berlin. I'm gonna take some of this carroty lip lock and it's called Sugary Sweet. And then I always just like to take the sponge and just press in lightly with it, because I feel like when you spray yourself with setting spray, it sends out a mist, and I feel like it doesn't always reach everywhere. And that is pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also let me know if you want me to do more videos like that where I'm just kind of like talking as I go along, instead of like the sped up videos. Make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys, and I just want to thank you for watching.